Welcome back to Homesteading It, or IT. Today I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about some batteries, like four-wheeler battery, kids' little four-wheeler batteries, stuff like that. Just kind of give you an idea, a couple tips about some batteries, some ways to save you some money, and ways to reuse stuff that you may already have. So, without further ado, let's get to it.
We're getting stuck! Battery died. Ours is kind of going.
So the batteries that these come with are nothing more than a regular battery, 12-volt battery with a fancy connector, which these batteries are 50, 60 bucks, what I found when I was looking for a new one. And inside of here, it is nothing more than a regular size battery. Well, a larger one, obviously, higher milliamperage. But if you look at it, they are roughly the same size. The only difference is inside of here, there's a piece of electronic that isn't really necessary unless you're really, really concerned about it. So, get yourself a nice battery like this off of eBay, larger, higher amperage, lasts the kids a lot longer, a lot more entertainment for them, but build yourself a cord so that you can adapt it to this plug. Pretty simple, just a spade connector in there, blade connector, and all I've done is taken it off the old UPS that comes with the wire similar to this, cut the end off, put this nice little spade connector in there, hook it up, plug it in, then as an example, take this, you just shove it down the side of there. Yeah, it gets a little bounced around, sometimes the kids turn it off. The only thing you need to be concerned about is your polarity, which is clearly marked on side of here. You got your positive, so the white goes to the red, and the black goes to the black. So now you're probably wondering, how do you charge these batteries that you are putting in your kids' toys, your four-wheelers, etc. Well, if you don't have an alternator, then I use just your standard Harbor Freight El Cheapo not battery charger. Does a good job, doesn't kill the batteries, 14 volts. Does a really good job of maintaining and not killing the battery at the same time. 13.2. Leave it on overnight, you leave it on for a couple days, it will be just fine. Well, that concludes this video. If you liked the video, do the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'll have more videos to come. Obviously, we're not going to do a whole lot outside stuff today or next week, it looks like, because we actually have winter for a change. Anyways, this is Jason from Homesteader IT. We'll see you next time.